Hey everyone, welcome back to Imagination Tech. So today is January 21st, and today I want to show you the contents of this December drone drop, which actually shipped out in December but got caught up in all of the Christmas rush, all of the boxes and parcels that the post office had to process. So it actually got here in the Philippines January 4th, but they weren't able to process these packages until a week later. So that's why I was only able to get this 2 days ago, January 9th. And I just want to show you what's inside. And actually, I do know what's inside because spoilers have been all around the internet already. But yeah, again, shipping in the Philippines sucks and it's really slow. So I have been waiting for this Source 2 frame from TBS, which is a very good alternative beginner frame, or for anyone who wants to save up on a buck or two, because this is probably going to be as cheap as one of those clone frames. So this is probably around $30, $40, something like that. I'll probably just post the price as an overlay or as a subtitle. But yeah, this is a great cheap frame. This is made by TBS, and so if you have been thinking about getting like a clone of the Alien, one of those Martian II, which I actually use, it's a really good, cheap and really tough frame. But if you don't like going the clone route, get a Source 2. So inside this box as well, we get this Viva FPV high visibility battery strap, which is a nice orange color, and it looks like it has Kevlar threads in it as well. We have this. We have Mr. Steel earbuds. So, well, I do have a Fat Shark Dominator V3, but my VTX doesn't have audio. So maybe once I upgrade my VTX, that'll be useful for me. You also get an FX Taranis X90 screen protector in the package. Unfortunately, I have a QX7, so this is not going to do me any favors. But one of the other things that I've been waiting for is this TBS Triumph SMA antenna, but this is a left-hand circular polarized, so that's a good thing because at least you're not gonna have as much interference when you're flying with your buddies, because most people here, at least, they fly with right-hand circular polarized. This is left-hand circular polarized, but I'm gonna have to change my equipment, on my receiver as well, on my goggles, and but yeah, it comes with two antennas, so that's perfect as a pair. It also comes with a set of three. There's three of them. Three of them in the box. These are the Ethics Watermelon S3 props, which is a great prop for freestyle. So it's perfect also if you're doing 6S, 5S. So if you are using high RPM or high KV motors, then this is going to be perfect. Really great for freestyle. But even if you're on 4S or 2300, 2600 kV motor, that's still going to be really great. And one of the things I love about the drone drop is that they have these limited edition, and you cannot buy these anywhere else. But they have this for the December drone drop. They partnered up with Mr. Steel and Supertech to create these really nice sticker set, and I probably will stick some of these mustaches on my Dominator V3. So that's been it for the contents of this drone drop. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys, and I'll be putting this up tonight on my YouTube channel, so make sure that you're subscribed. Speaking of subscriptions, if you like to receive your own drone drop every month, so it's a surprise box, you don't know what's going to be inside, but it's always a great value, around $80 worth of products inside this $40 package. So adding shipping, if you live in the United States, that's $8 shipping. Anywhere else, it's $14 shipping, plus 112 pesos, which is about $2 here in the Philippines, which you pay to the post office. So all in all, you pay like $50, $54, and you get $70, $80 worth of product, and that I think is a really good deal. And since it's random every month, you get to try out different products every month, and that's what I love about Drone Drop. So I will post a link to Drone Drop in the description below. So if you are interested in getting your own Drone Drop, I highly recommend that you do so. All right. So that has been it for today. Anyway, as always, keep building and keep flying.